Green speed uniformity is a significant aspect of every golf course. The R&R Products Gold Rule Green Speed Meter enables you to accurately and consistently measure the green speeds. The anodized aluminum bar is extruded with a unique V-channel design. The notch is precision machined to release the ball consistently at a 20-degree angle. To use, select a level area to conduct the measurement. Place a golf ball in the notch and carefully lift. Stop lifting once the ball releases. Measure the distance from the end of the meter to where the ball stops. Find the speed rating on the chart applied to the back of the meter. The R&R Green Speed Meter comes complete with a durable poly case for storage and safe transport. Measure your green speed with the R&R Green Speed Meter. For more information on this item or any of our other golf course maintenance tools, visit us at rrproducts.com.